inaugurating an exclusive all-women theatre and facility to tackle the issues of women. I don't think there could have been anything better to celebrate the upcoming Women's Day than this. We as women, and I include myself in that, we always take our health as the last priority. And we keep looking for excuses for not to go to a doctor to get our checkups done. For the last 11 months, I have been postponing my own pap smear test. So, and you find every kind of an excuse from a meeting in office to probably children's sports day to probably guest coming over. So you do everything else in the world, but you don't want to go for your own checkup. And the biggest thing which scares me is that during the annual health checkup we are supposed to have is getting my mammogram done. Because you always feel, God, what if something comes out? And I think that is probably the biggest reason why women of today, although we are aware that there's no shortage of awareness in terms of the need for having a medical checkup, but the fear that if something comes up, then what? So you keep trying to avoid it unless it is at your doorstep. And secondly, also probably to whom to go to, where you can talk freely and explain, because all said and done, especially because of our cultural upbringings, we often may not be very comfortable about talking about our intimate issues to somebody from the opposite gender. Nevertheless, I think all the doctors, male doctors, are very extremely competent. But I guess it is some upbringing or a social upbringing which we have which prevents us. And not only that, I compare it to something in the police. So what was the reason for us to start a SHE team or to start a Bharosa center or to start or have a woman help desk at each police station? The logic is same, is that when there is a woman across the table, it is easier for women to express their things. It's easier for them to open up. It is easier for them to share their intimate issues. So that is the entire philosophy for which the police department did this. And I think that the same is something which is now reflected here in the medical department.